Traditional YouTube production is a massive, sprawling enterprise. It requires a specialized pod of strategists, SEO experts, writers, and managers. A crushing $525,000 yearly overhead that stops most creators before they even begin. But what if that entire agency could be compressed into a single Windows executable? A sovereign workstation running natively directly on your own personal hardware, kept under your total control. The VibeTube workspace powers up. The process begins with a single ignition point, a complex dynamic URL pasted into the search bar. One click initiates the generation. You are looking at a live demonstration of VibeTube AI version 1.1.1, the definitive command center for autonomous content strategy. Modern web architecture is increasingly locked down. Traditional scrapers bounce off the security layers of social platforms and dynamic apps. VibeTube's universal URL search grounding reads these environments natively, moving through digital mazes as if they aren't even there, utilizing raw reasoning intelligence to operate without the usual bounce. The raw data is extracted perfectly intact. The local system consumes the target URL with terrifying speed, preparing for the detonation. Once the data is captured, the engine detonates that single point into a comprehensive content strategy. The dark mode interface erupts, rapidly filling progress bars multiply down the screen. 19 distinct content outputs materialize simultaneously, ready for the algorithm. Optimized titles, exact match tags, and strategic descriptions populate the SEO suite. NotebookLM audio protocols and rigid script outlines lock into place. The visual pipeline auto-writes cinematic sequences for Midjourney and Runway. Social media cross-posts are staged in a tabbed interface. The Infinite Series engine anticipates the next move, automatically proposing the logical sequel in the pipeline. Unlimited sequels, chained together to maintain a relentless automated content pipeline, a complete production pod, rendered in code. The Bring Your Own Key architecture keeps the orchestrating power local. Your hardware, your connection, your data. No recurring fees to drain your resources. An encrypted pipeline connects your desktop directly to Gemini 3.1 Pro. The live API cost tracker shows the exact spend in real time, entire production cycles, executed for literal pennies. Native Windows desktop power with absolute zero browser dependency. The system is fully armed, and it's waiting for your first target.